Welcome you all in BBA and MBA Guide by Ummi Sumaya Ahmed. Today is the 14th lecture about management. And we are going to cover about how to run business globally. After getting to understand the all four types of international organization, we also need to know how such organizations go international. When organizations do go international, they often use different approaches. As you look over here, managers who want to get into a global market with minimal investment may start with global sourcing, also called global outsourcing, which is purchasing materials or labor from around the world wherever it is cheapest. The goal of the manager is to take advantage of lower costs in order to be more competitive. For instance, Massachusetts General Hospital uses radiologists in India to interpret CT scans. Although global sourcing may be the first step to going international for many companies, they often continue to use this approach because of the competitive advantages it offers. Each successive stage of going international beyond global sourcing, however, requires more investment and thus entails more risk for the organization. The next step in going international may involve exporting the organization's products to other countries, that is, making products domestically and selling them abroad. In addition, an organization might do importing, which involves acquiring products made abroad and selling them domestically. Both usually entail minimal investment and risk, which is why many small businesses often use these approaches to doing business globally. Managers also might use licensing or franchising, which are similar approaches involving one organization giving another organization the right to use its brand name, technology, or product specifications in return for a lump sum payment or a fee usually based on sales. The only difference is that licensing is primarily used by manufacturing organizations that make or sell another company's products, and franchising is primarily used by service organizations that want to use another company's name and operating methods. For example, Chicago consumers can enjoy Guatemalan Pollo Campero fried chicken, South Koreans can indulge in Dunkin' Brands coffee, Hong Kong residents can dine on Shakey's pizza, and Malaysians can consume Schlotsky's deli sandwiches, all because of franchises in these countries. On the other hand, Anheuser-Busch InBev has licensed the right to brew and market its Budweiser beer to brewers such as Kirin in Japan and Crown Beers in India. When an organization has been doing business internationally for a while and has gained experience in international markets, managers may decide to make more of a direct foreign investment. One way to increase investment is through a strategic alliance, which is a partnership between an organization and a foreign company partner or partners in which both share resources and knowledge in developing new products or building production facilities. For example, Honda Motor and General Electric teamed up to produce a new jet engine. A specific type of strategic alliance in which the partners form a separate, independent organization for some business purpose is called a joint venture. For example, Hewlett-Packard has had numerous joint ventures with various suppliers around the globe to develop different components for its computer equipment. These partnerships provide a relatively easy way for companies to compete globally. Finally, managers may choose to directly invest in a foreign country by setting up a foreign subsidiary as a separate and independent facility or office. This subsidiary can be managed as a multi-domestic organization, local control, or as a global organization, centralized control. As you can probably guess, this arrangement involves the greatest commitment of resources and poses the greatest amount of risk. For instance, United Plastics Group of Westmont, Illinois, built 2 injection molding facilities in Suzhou, China. The company's executive vice president for business development said that level of investment was necessary because it fulfilled our mission of being a global supplier to our global accounts. This is all about today's lecture. Hope you find this video useful. If you find any query, you can ask by commenting below. Please share this video with your friends and fellows. And don't forget to like and subscribe the channel.